Alright guys, how is everyone on this Wednesday night? Got the glass back out of back of the truck. That's the next thing I'm going to be doing on the Bronco top. We're going to be trying to get this glass back in. So I hope that isn't too hard. I don't think it will be. I've just never done it before, but we'll figure it out. Took the truck out today. Running fine, nothing wrong with that. And it is, right now it's 57 degrees out here. So pretty nice, not much wind. Beautiful day. I spent hours upon hours today going around the yard and picking stuff up. There's Buddy. Picking stuff up, it was a mess. All kinds of just pop bottles, water bottles, plastic. We have a puppy, so yeah, she finds stuff and just chews it up and leaves it, and big mess. Not to mention all the branches and sticks and everything I picked up. But it was a beautiful day to do it. And then, after I got done doing that, I came over to the old shop here and had to fix the roof. A couple of days ago, it was really windy, like really windy, and it kept, where the ladder is there, it kept flopping up a little bit, and I was afraid I might tear a couple sheets of that metal off up there. But this board out here wasn't attached to anything, and so put a couple screws in that, and also some up on top. So I think we're good to go there. Need to put the ladder away, but anyway, there's the old Bronco. She's ready to paint. And there's Abby and Jesse and Buddy. Now, they're just been having a good day today. Anyway, we'll get back here. What are you guys doing? At least you're having a good time. Get back in here in the shop. After I got done doing all that, I went and picked up my daughter from school. And this darn door decided to give me a headache. Over here on this side, there's like you probably can't see it, and I don't have a flashlight on me, but it's like a metal bushing right up in, I think it's focusing on my hand, right up in there anyway. Slides into that black plastic piece, and it popped out, caused me all kinds of trouble. Opened the door, and this cable was all unraveled, and for whatever reason it came all unraveled over on this side. So I got this one straightened out, took that one off, took it off down here at the bottom of the door, that little peg that it loops around, took it off, put the door down. Then I loosened up that pulley. There's a hex head bolt right there and on the other side. And then I shoved it over next against that little bushing piece so it can't come out again. And I had a heck of a time getting that cable back in there. I had to open the door, and then I was pushing it up with my head, put some vice grips on it to hold it, and then pulled down on that cable against the spring and got it over that little thing down there that it loops around. Had a heck of a time doing that. I thought I was going to have to wait till my wife got home, get a little bit of help, but I got her. So I think it's good to go. I should probably lube that door all up and everything, but haven't done that yet. But yeah, I was gonna do a video, have a video for you on Thursday. If you haven't noticed, I try to put videos out on Sunday and Thursday, and sometimes in between, like right now. But I don't think I'm gonna make that happen. So I'll probably have a Sunday video for you. It was nothing horribly exciting, but never know. Anyway, that's what's going on here tonight. Just out here with the dogs, and down here in the shop. I got this cleaned up down here fairly well. That was a mess. Need to get on that thing, because before you know it, we're gonna be mowing yard, and I got a big yard. Need to get the oil changed and get it all greased up and blades sharpened. Actually, it might need new blades, but anyway, that's what's going on here tonight, guys. Beautiful, beautiful night. And I just don't plan on doing a whole heck of a lot the rest of the night. Might go up to the house here in just a little bit. But windows are coming up here real soon on the Bronco top, and before you know it, we're going to be painting the Bronco. So that is what's going on here at the Fox shop. Hope you're all having a great night. We'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.